बच्चों अब हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 10.3 वेक्टर चैप्टर की। फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर ए एंड बी विद मैग्नीट्यूड। वेक्टर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेक्टर ए मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल टू √3 and vector b magnitude equal to 2. Having a dot b, vector a dot vector b equal to √6. We have to find the angle. So the relation to find the theta between two vector is cos theta equal to vector a dot vector b upon vector a magnitude vector b magnitude. What is a dot b? Is √6 and magnitude of a is √3 and magnitude of is 2, and this becomes √3 into √2 is √6. Here is √3 into 2. This is cancel out, and √2 upon 2 into √2 upon √2. Again this is cancel out. Sorry, this is not cancel out. This becomes 2 upon 2 √2, and this is cancel out, and 1 by √2. Now theta equal to cos inverse 1 by √2, and this becomes cos inverse 1 by √2 is cos pi by 4. Value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by √2, and from here cos is cancelled out with cos, and theta becomes pi by 4. Now question number 2, find the angle between vector a is a vector and this is I minus 2j plus 3k, I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and b is another vector and this equal to 3 I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, 3 I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and a vector dot b vector. What is a dot b? A dot b mean we have to multiply the scalar component of I, j and k. This becomes 3 into 1, 3. This becomes minus 2 into 2, 4. Plus 3 into 1, 3. And this becomes 10. And magnitude of A, under root scalar component of I is 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square, and this becomes 1 plus 4 plus 9, it becomes 14. Again vector b component, this becomes 3 square plus minus 2 square and plus 1 square, and this becomes 9 plus 4 plus 1, and this becomes under root 14. Now we have to find the theta. Cos theta equal to vector a dot vector b divided by vector a magnitude into vector b magnitude. A dot b mean, what is a dot b? A dot b is 10, and what is magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b is 14 into 14 under root 14. This becomes 10 upon 14. 2 5 ja 2 7 ja. Then theta becomes cos इनवर्स 5/7। कुछ नहीं किया बेटे, बिल्कुल सिंपल था। यहाँ गिवन था, या हमने ए डॉट बी निकाल लिया, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए निकाला, बी निकाला और फार्मूले में रख दिया, इसी फार्मूले के अंदर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। Find the projection of vector A. Vector A is I minus j. I cap minus j cap. Projection of vector A on vector B. And vector B is I plus j cap. I cap plus j cap. We have to find vector A dot vector B, and this is 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. Now we have to find projection of A vector on vector B. Then we have to find magnitude of vector B, and magnitude of vector B is under root 1 square plus 1 square, and this is under root 2. Now projection of vector A on, you can use symbol vector A on vector B. Vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector B. What is vector A dot B? Is 0, and 0 upon root 2 again 0. Now question number 4. Find the projection of vector A. Again question number 4. A is a vector whose I plus 3j plus 7k. I plus 3j plus 7k. And B is another vector, and that is equal to 7i minus j cap plus 8k cap. Now we have to find projection of vector A on vector B. Again we find vector A dot vector B. Multiply scalar component of I, j and k. 7 into 1, 7. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Or plus 56. And this becomes 60. And magnitude of vector B? Because we have to find magnitude of projection of vector on B. On B. So we have to find the magnitude of vector B. And this is equal to 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square. 49 plus 1 plus 64. 49 plus 1 50. 50 plus 114. Now projection of vector A on vector B, and this is vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B, and A dot B is 60 and divided by 114, and this is the projection of vector A on vector B. Now move to question number 5. So that each of the given 3 vector is a unit vector. Now, and also so that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Here, question number 5. Vector A is given, and that is equal to 1 by 7, 2 plus 3j plus 6k, 2 plus 3j plus 6k, and vector B equal to 1 by 7, 3 minus 6 j plus 2k. 3 I cap minus 6j plus 2k cap, and C is another vector. This is 1 by 7, 6 I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Now we have to find or so that all these three vectors are unit vectors. So what we have to do? We have to calculate its magnitude. So magnitude of vector A, and this is equal to under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, and 1 by 7 is here. 4 plus 9 plus 36, 1 by 7. This 1 by 7 into 49 equal to 1 by 7 into 7, and this becomes 1. Again, magnitude of vector B, 1 by 7 into 3 square plus minus 6 square and plus 2 square. 1 by 7 into this 9 plus 36 plus 4. Again 1 by 7 into 49, and this equal to 1 by 7 into 7, and this become 1. Again vector C, magnitude of vector C equal to 1 by 7 into 6 square plus 2 square plus minus 3 square, and this becomes 1 by 7 into 36 plus 4 plus 9. This becomes 1 by 7 into under root 49 equal to 1 by 7 into 7. 7 is cut out, and this becomes 1. Again magnitude of these three vector is 1. Therefore A, B and C are यूनिट वेक्टर. अब हमने शो कर दिया कि ए बी सी क्या है, यूनिट वेक्टर है, क्योंकि इन तीनों का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या आया बेटे, 1 आया. अब हमें शो करना है क्या ये म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर है टू ईच अदर. मीन अगर ए डॉट बी, बी डॉट सी और ए डॉट सी और सी डॉट ए, अगर ये 0 आ जाए तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगी. एक मैं आपके लिए कर दूंगा ए डॉट बी. ए डॉट बी मैं करूंगा, बी डॉट सी और सी डॉट ए आप अपने आप करेंगे. ए डॉट बी क्या आएगा, ए डॉट बी 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49, 3 into 6, 2, 6, 3 into 9, minus 18, plus 6 into 2, 18, and this becomes 1 by 49 into, या 12 आएगा बेटे, 6 2 जा 12, and this becomes 6 plus 12, 18 minus 18 is 0, and this becomes 0. So A dot B 0 mean A vector perpendicular to B vector. Similarly, you have to do B vector dot C vector and C vector dot A vector. These two parts you have to do yourself and find whether B and C are perpendicular or not, or C and A are perpendicular or not. Move to next question. Move to question number 6. Question number 6 is, find magnitude A and magnitude B if A plus B, vector A plus vector B in dot vector A plus vector b. Sorry, this is minus, and this equal to 8. ये हमने फाइंड करना है, और गिवन क्या है, ये गिवन है, और a इक्वल टू 8 वेक्टर b, ये भी गिवन है. We have to find magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b. So using this relation, a plus b, vector a plus b dot vector a minus vector b equal to 8. This is dot product of this with this. So a vector dot vector a minus vector b plus b vector dot vector a minus b vector to 8. Now this is dot product of this with this, mean vector a dot vector a minus vector a dot vector b plus vector b dot vector a minus vector b dot vector b equal to 8. Now vector a dot vector a, this becomes vector a magnitude square. Also vector b dot vector b, this becomes vector b magnitude square, and a dot b is equal to b dot a. ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो ये जो चीज है ये कैंसिल हो जाएगी. क्या बचेगा, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए स्क्वायर माइनस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 8. नाउ हियर वन मोर रिलेशन इज गिवन, वेक्टर ए equal to 8 vector b. So use vector a in place of vector a, 8 vector b, 8 vector b and whole square. What is this? This becomes 64 vector b square minus vector magnitude of vector b square equal to 8. This becomes 63 vector b square equal to 8, and vector b equal to 8 upon 63. And what is vector a? Vector a is equal to 8 times vector b, 8 upon 63, 64 upon 63. Now in this question we have to find these two values, and which can be calculated as using these two relations. Vector b is 8 upon 63 and vector magnitude vector b is this, and magnitude vector a is 64 upon 63. Move to question number 3. Question number 7. You have to do it yourself. This is the same as we can do the dot product with these two numbers. You have solved the dot product of 3 vector a minus 5 vector b dot 2 vector a plus 7 vector b. Move to question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vector a and vector b having the same magnitude such that angle between them is theta. दो वेक्टर हैं, दोनों वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम है, मीन वेक्टर ए मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल टू वेक्टर बी मैग्नीट्यूड, एंड एंगल बिटवीन देम इज थीटा इज 60 डिग्री. And this scalar product mean dot product. Scalar product mean dot product, and that is equal to 1 by 2. Now vector a डॉट वेक्टर बी अपॉन वेक्टर ए मैग्नीट्यूड वेक्टर बी मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल टू cos थीटा। वेक्टर ए डॉट बी क्या बेटे 1/2 और वेक्टर ए इक्वल टू वेक्टर बी दोनों सेम है। अगर मैं दोनों को ए के बराबर मान लेता हूं तो क्या आ गया ए स्क्वायर एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू cos 60। What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1/2 a square is equal to 1/2। 2 से कैंसिल होगा a square इक्वल टू 1 और a is equal to 1। So magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector that is equal to 1। Move to question number 9। Question number 9, find magnitude of x vector if for a unit vector a means question number 9 we have to find this। हमें इसको फाइंड करना है कि ये है क्या और गिवन क्या है। गिवन है for a unit vector a means magnitude of vector a is 1 and x minus a dot x minus a यानी कि वेक्टर a प्लस माइनस वेक्टर a डॉट वेक्टर a प्लस वेक्टर x प्लस वेक्टर a and this is equal to 12। This question is same as question number 6 or question number 7। So we have to multiply these as dot product mean first x vector x dot with x vector plus a vector फिर minus vector a with x vector और plus a vector। Now x dot x vector x dot x plus vector x dot a vector minus vector a dot x vector minus vector a dot vector a and this is equal to 12। Here x dot x mean vector x का magnitude का scale। In the same way we have done in question number 7 this ax or x plus a dot b is equal to b dot a so this is cancel out जैसा कि अभी हमने यहां किया था क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के अंदर। अब माइनस a dot a मीन वेक्टर a dot वेक्टर a मीन वेक्टर a magnitude का square and this is equal to 12। From here what we conclude vector a magnitude is 1 this is given magnitude of vector a is 1 so x square equal to 12 and this is minus 1 taking to that side becomes plus 1 equal to 13 and x magnitude becomes under root 13। यही हमसे पूछा गया था कि x वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है। नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। If a equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap and b is another vector minus I plus 2 j plus k minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap and see another vector, and this is 3i plus j, 3i cap plus j cap. Now R says that a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c, means a vector plus lambda b, and this is perpendicular to vector c. Find the value of lambda. First we have to find a plus lambda b, vector a plus lambda b. This means what is a? 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda into b means minus lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap plus lambda k cap. Now scalar component of I add with each other. It becomes 2 minus lambda I cap 2 plus 2 lambda j cap and 3 plus lambda k cap. Now this vector is perpendicular to this, then a plus lambda b vector dot c vector, this becomes 0 because this is given कि this perpendicular to this. Now what we conclude from here? We conclude the I component of I and j component with j and k component with k, because k is 0k. Their dot product becomes 0, means 2 minus lambda into 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda into 1 and plus 3 plus lambda into 0 equal to 0. This becomes 6 minus 3 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda, and this is equal to 0. 2 plus 6 plus 2, 8, and minus lambda equal to 0. This becomes lambda equal to 8. The value of lambda is 8. Very simple question. A, B, C 3 वेक्टर गिवन थे. A plus B lambda perpendicular to C गिवन था. सबसे पहले हमने A plus lambda B निकाल लिया. Corresponding I का I के साथ जोड़ दिया और I का ये वेक्टर हमारे पास आ गया. अब A plus lambda B dot C 0 because this is perpendicular. दो वेक्टर perpendicular है तो उनकी डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 होगी. तो यहाँ पे ये करके और लैम्डा की वैल्यू 8 निकाल दी. Now show that magnitude of vector A dot B plus magnitude of vector B dot A is perpendicular to. Question number 11. Here we have to show that A B vector vector A magnitude of vector A into B vector plus magnitude of B vector into vector A is perpendicular to mean dot product with vector A magnitude B vector minus magnitude of B vector into A vector equal to 0. ये दो वेक्टर गिवन है हमें प्रूव करना है कि दोनों के दोनों जो वेक्टर हैं वो परपेंडिकुलर हैं। वो परपेंडिकुलर कब होंगे? जब इसकी डॉट प्रोडक्ट दोनों की जीरो आ जाएगी तो परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएंगे। अभी दो वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर तो उनकी डॉट प्रोडक्ट हमने जीरो दिखाई थी। अब इसने कहा कि ये परपेंडिकुलर कब होंगे? दोनों की डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकाल दो। अगर वो डॉट प्रोडक्ट जीरो आ गई, अगर ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट जीरो आ गई तो क्या होंगे भाई? परपेंडिकुलर होंगे। लेट्स फाइंड इट। वेक्टर ए बी डॉट दिस इनटू दिस, व्हाट इज दिस? वेक्टर ए वेक्टर बी डॉट वेक्टर ए वेक्टर बी माइनस बी वेक्टर ए वेक्टर प्लस वेक्टर बी मैग्नीट्यूड वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर ए मैग्नीट्यूड बी वेक्टर माइनस बी वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड और ए वेक्टर। Now this becomes this dot this, it becomes magnitude of A square B vector dot B vector. This into this dot this is square, and vector B dot vector B minus vector A magnitude of vector A into B and magnitude of vector B into vector A. Again here plus vector B का मैग्नीट्यूड A वेक्टर डॉट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A वेक्टर एंड B वेक्टर माइनस here is vector B magnitude whole square or vector A dot vector A. What we conclude from here? Vector A magnitude square or vector B magnitude square minus A dot B यानी कि magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B. Here B dot A plus magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B and A vector dot B vector minus magnitude of vector B square dot magnitude of vector A square. A dot B is equal to B dot A, and this is similar. Again A dot B vector A magnitude vector B magnitude or vector B magnitude minus A magnitude, this is the same relation, this is also cancel out and this becomes 0. Therefore these two vector A magnitude vector B plus B magnitude vector A is perpendicular to vector A magnitude vector B minus B magnitude vector A. Move to question number 11.